So in this problem we have been given an exponential equation and we have to find the value of x. The equation is 4 raised to the power x plus 16 raised to the power x is equals to 272. Now this kind of problem is not difficult. Basically all these kinds of problem is a form of quadratic or a cubic equation. Just you have to massage the problem or simplify the problem, it will come into the standard form. For example, in this case you see 4 raised to the power x, then you need to convert in terms of 4 raised to the power x as a quadratic expression. So let us try to see how we can do that. 4 raised to the power x plus 16 I can write 4 square, and raised to the power x is equals to 272. Now we may remember the rule of exponent, that is, if you have a raised to the power m and then power m n, then it can be written as a raised to the power m times n, which can further be written as a raised to the power n raised to the power m. So this is the rule of exponent. Basically you can say that exponent interchanges. Here m is inside the bracket and n is outside the bracket, but now what we have, n is inside and m is outside, and this comes from the product. So in the middle step you have the product. So now let us use this. So if I will use this, I can write 4 raised to the power x as it is, plus this will become 4 raised to the power 2 multiplied by x. And let us take 272 this side, so minus 272 is equals to 0. Now in the next step I can say 4 raised to the power x plus 4 raised to the power x raised to the power 2, because I am using this part of the rule. Minus 272 is equals to 0. Now see, 4 raised to the power 2 I have here and I also have here. Then I can say that 4 raised to the power x is equals to t. So let us say t is equals to 4 raised to the power x. Then with this new variable what we will have? We will have t plus t square minus 272 is equals to 0. So now I have to factorize this. To get the value of t, basically we have to factorize this. So we can rewrite, so this will be t square plus t minus 272 is equals to 0. So I can factorize 272, that is 272. So let us factorize here. So we have so I can divide by 2, so this will be 136, and then further divide by 2, 68, further divide by 2, 34, now 2, then I will have 17. So you see, we need a factor. If you sum that, then this comes t plus t, and if you multiply it should come minus 272. So now if you consider these 4 2's, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, so this will be 16. So I can write this 272 is equals to 16 into 17. This means I can choose two factors, 17 and 16. So I can rewrite, so this will be t square plus 17t minus 16t minus 272, this is equals to 0. So now I can take t common, so this will be t plus 17, and here if I take minus 16 common, then it will be t plus 17, and this is equals to 0. So now I can write t minus 16 into t plus 17, this is equals to 0. This means there are two possibilities, either this term is 0 or this term is 0. So from first, that is t minus 16 is 0, I will get t is equals to 16. From second, if t plus 17 is 0, this means t is equals to minus 17. Now t is what? T is 4 raised to the power x. So this is given that we have assumed. So this means 4 raised to the power x is equals to 16. If I consider the first solution, that is this solution, then I will have, from here I can say 4 raised to the power x is equals to 4 raised to the power 2, because 16 can be written as 4 raised to the power 2. So x is equals to 2 is one solution. Now the second solution that I can have, that is minus 17. So we can have t is equals to minus 17. This means 4 raised to the power x is equals to minus 17. But this is not possible, because if you take some power of 4, it can never be negative number. So in this case, I can say this is not possible, and in this case, I will have no solution from this. So only one solution that satisfies this equation, and that solution is x is equals to 2. And generally, it is always a good idea to check whether this solution satisfies the equation or not. So let us check whether it satisfies or not. So original equation was 4 raised to the power x plus 16 raised to the power x is equals to 272. So we will have 4 raised to the power 2 plus 16 raised to the power 2. So let us calculate the value. So this is 4 raised to the power 2 is 16, and 16 raised to the power 2 is 256. So this is basically 272. So this is indeed satisfy this equation, because right hand side we have 272, and if I plug x equals to 2, I get 272. So I hope you like this video, and if you like, please share with your friends, like to this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.